This is the so far this is the worst roof I've found in this year. This one has, it doesn't even have underlayment. It has paper underneath the cap sheet. They put cap sheet, the cap sheet shit. These guys they didn't use felt. They use paper. Use paper like this. Look, damn. Piece of paper, and then they use a cap sheet nailed down. There it goes. Anyway. Oh my God. I'm gonna have to remove all this wood, put new rafters, replace this 4x4 beam, and then probably cut off all the overhang and put new plywood, put some outlookers to support the new fascia. Leave the existing sheeting, because it's gonna cost more money to replace the existing sheeting than to put new plywood on top. So I don't think it's a good idea. So this is my plan. I'm gonna install new sheeting. All this wood that you see exposed is gonna be cut off, and new plywood is gonna be installed. ¿Listo, Chapo? No, Chapo. Así a puro ojo. Spray some boric acid for the. I want it. No huele a nada, Chapo.
No.
¿Cuántos trajeron Higgins? Fíjate.
4.
Seguro.
Sí, 4.
Necesitamos uno más. Back here I have to redo the patio again. New rafters, new headers, new plywood, and new fascia. CDX, it's made for exposure. It doesn't get damaged. And tomorrow I'm gonna finish. Also, I put some CDX on the eave because the lady she's on a limited budget, so didn't want to make her spend extra money on shiplap. Right here I installed plywood sheeting, radiant barrier over the space sheeting, and it's looking good. The patio is gonna have torch down, and it's gonna get done tomorrow. And this is how I do it. shown is hickory. Again, please do not install shingles on your flat roof like the neighbor right here. Use the appropriate materials. If you don't know, ask. Okay, this is my new roof.